In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Steam games to the Start menu in Windows 11, Updated 2026 Full Guide. If you want your favorite Steam titles just one click away from the Start menu, this walkthrough will show you the cleanest built-in way to do it using Windows 11's native Pin to Start option. We'll work entirely inside Steam and File Explorer, then confirm the game appears where you expect it on the Start screen. Start by opening Steam on your Windows 11 computer and heading to your library. This is where all your installed and owned games live. If you have a large collection, use the search box at the top of the library to quickly locate the title you want to pin. Once you see the game you want, you're in the right place. Next, right-click the game in your library. From the menu, go to Manage, then select Browse Local Files. This opens File Explorer directly to the game's installation folder, saving you from digging through directories. You should now see the files that make the game run. In this folder, look for the game's launcher file, which is typically an application file with an .exe extension. It often matches the game's name or is called something like launcher. Right-click that launcher file. In Windows 11, you'll usually get a compact context menu first. Choose Show More Options to open the classic menu, then click Pin to Start. That tells Windows to create a start tile that launches this exact executable. This keeps things neat and gives you a reliable entry point straight from the Start menu. Now open the Start menu and check the Pinned section. New pins usually appear at the bottom of your pinned grid or on the next page if you already have many items. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through your pinned pages to find the new icon for your Steam game. You should see the game's name and icon ready to launch. Finally, arrange it so it's easy to reach. Click and drag the game's tile to your preferred spot in the pinned area. Place it near the top for quick access, or group it alongside your other gaming tools. The tile will snap into position as you move it, so take a second to line it up exactly how you like. That's all there is to it. You opened Steam, jumped to the local files for your game, pinned the launcher to start using Windows native option, confirmed it appeared, and then moved it into the perfect spot. Enjoy launching your Steam game directly from the Start menu, and that's it.